This tutorial will walk you through how to create one of the basic op modes, the basic tank op mode. If you have the Rev hardware client open and you have the control hub plugged in with the USB-C, the Rev control hub should appear here, and one of the options up top should be to enter the programming environment. I don't have a control hub, so I had to enter in this web address, make sure that I was connected via Wi-Fi to the. I'm using one of the Android phones as my robot controller, but you would connect to the control hub here through Wi-Fi. This passphrase and the web address will show up in the Rev hardware client, so you can do it via Wi-Fi, but hopefully the Rev hardware client will work. What you need to do once you are into this programming interface is click on Blocks. It'll open up into this view, and these are all of the previous programs the different students across the years back to 2017 have created on this phone or on your control hub. What you want to do is come up here to create new op mode, and we want to come down here to the different samples. This is what's going to be very helpful for us. There's a basic tank drive. Go ahead and click on that, but we want to name it a specific name. We want to call it basic tank, your robot number, and then 2021 test. So I'm going to come back here, call it basic tank, no spaces. I'm using robot 10914, and then say 2021 test. So this should either be basic tank 5598 21 test or basic tank 6635 test. And when you hit OK, it says my robot controller is disconnected. It came back. Great. So it came back up. I'm not sure why it dropped out for a moment, but it's connected again. And then this brings up the Scratch interface. You can see the Java code over here. I'm going to uncheck that so it goes away. It sets one of the motors to reverse. If both motors were going the same direction, since they're on opposite sides of the robot, one of them needs to be reversed. So all of this just calls the op mode, says that while the op mode is running to do this, and it says set power test motor to left stick Y, right stick Y, and then it says left power and right power. And right now this test motor, there's just one motor in here. Instead of just test motor and test motor, you can click on these values. This will read the robot configuration file that is on the phone or the controller, and you can pick either front left motor, front right motor, back left motor, or back right motor. And you can set both of those to left stick Y or right stick Y. And then once you are finished with that, you can click download op mode. I guess you should save it first. We're going to save it to the phone, and then when we click download op mode, it's going to download it right here. Whenever we save it, that will save it to the device that you're using. Sorry, download just downloads it here in the browser. Saving it, we'll save it either to the robot controller phone or to the control hub. Then you can exit out of here, and you can go into either the you can go into the driver hub, start the driver hub program, and then select. When you open up the driver station, either using the driver hub or the driver station phone, this screen will appear. You can make sure that the two devices are connected, and then the teleop, which is the tank mode that we programmed. If you click over here, that option should be available to select the basic tank. You should be able to hit initialize and be able to hit play to get the controller to run. Once again, you can always come back to this PDF that we've been using, the Blocks Programming Guide, and that should be able to help you download and create your first op mode. Thanks.